Good morning. Today my topic is afferent neuron research work. These are the pictures of afferent neuron research, and we will describe about a neuron are bipolar neuron, unipolar neuron, pseudo unipolar neuron, or multipolar. Mainly, they are the three types: unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar. This is the part of the neuron cell body. This is part of the axon. This is node of Ranvier, Scaven cell, or axon. This part of neuron axon. We can say axon. Sensory nerve cell, spinal cord at flame. It is hot. Spinal cord to sensory. Sensory nerve to spinal cord. The spinal cord send message through motor nerve to move hand. We will discuss about the afferent neuron research work. The afferent neuron supply. The primary afferent neuron of the ANS morphology are Dogale type. Second, neuron with numerous processes. 10 is strict primary afferent neuron that respond to mucosal chemical stimulation have their bodies in the myenteric plexus and they project axon toward the mucosa. The myenteric plexus myenteric plexus myenteric plexus also contain the cell bodies of intra- intrinsic afferent neuron that discharge in response to mechanical stimulation of the muscle layer induced by muscle activity or stress. Intrinsic intrinsic afferent neuron that respond to mechanical stimulation of the mucosa also are believed to exist based on the enteric reflexes seen in the extrinsically demonstrated preparation. The cell bodies and process of these neurons have not yet been identified indefinitely, although available evidence in the consistent with the presence of their cell bodies in the submucosal ganglia. Intrinsic sensory neuron synapse in the interneural plexus with intrinsic motor neuron and interneurons, which they execute mainly by the release the acetylcholine and substance P. A more detailed account of the function and role of afferent neuron can be found in a review by Freshness and Crockers. Observation indicate that other classes of intrinsic neuron also respond to mechano- mechanosensory stimulation, suggestion that the ENS behave as a sensory motor network rather than the separate components. Afferent receptive properties. Although drug neuron (DRG) neuron are all afferent neurons, only those that give rise to the conscious sensation are strictly speak sensory, thus visceral afferent neurons. that may not evoke conscious sensation are usually called afferent, not sensory. Primary afferent neurons have classically been described in terms of their modality or adequate stimulation threshold, conduction velocity, adaptation properties, and sensory receptive properties. These terms are expanded below. Term used to define property of afferent modality. The term sensory modality of the primary afferent neuron is used to describe the type of sensation associated with stimulation of the neuron. Classically, the modality of human sensation includes sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch for the somatosensory system as well as touch. It is useful to include temperature, heat, cold, and pain. More precise definition can be achieved by the referring to the quality of the evocated sensation, such as gentle pressure or further defined touch or burning pain. Adequate stimuli has been defined as the type of naturally occurring event most effectively excites the afferent unit 185. Thus, a low intensity mechanical stimulus is the adequate most effective stimulus for a LMT fiber. These are the pictures of neuron, different type of pictures of neuron, and like this and this and this.